Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope that we get old. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, of course. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
What is up, beautiful people? It's Archer here and welcome again to another video. Okay guys, so for today's video, as you can see from the title, I am gonna be doing the baking thing, you know? I am going to bake! Finally guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga special, skills ko in baking. And magbe-bake tayo ngayon ng red velvet cupcake. So, ayan. So, actually kasi, ang mga binibake ko lang sometimes is yung cookies and brownies lang. Ayun pa lang yung mga natatry kong i-bake. And, di pa ako nakaka-try ng mga ganitong cupcake na yan. So, first time ko lang din to talaga to. So, naisip ko na why not I'll bring you guys with me as I, experiment some tricks. Okay, basta hindi ko talaga alam kung magsasucceed to or magfe-fail. But anyway, gusto ko lang naman i-share yung journey ko as I make this wonderful, beautiful cupcake, magnificent, marvelous. So, please keep on watching. Guys, so ito yung mga kailangan. Baking soda, cream, cheese, butter, sugar, cocoa powder, cocoa, whatever, powdered sugar, flour, vanilla extract, yan, and yan, vinegar, pati food coloring na red, kasi nga red velvet, tapos yung mga, ito lang, measuring, natin, and ayan, yung lalagyan na ng cupcake, and, ang tawag dito, hand mixer, mixing bowl, and ayan. So, ayun yung mga kailangan natin. Yan. Okay guys, so kumpleto na yung mga ingredients natin. And mag-start na tayo mag-bake. Okay, so kasama ko nga pala si Red. Yeah! So, siya yung kasama ko mag-bake today. Okay guys, so let's start our, baking show! Okay, so let's first start off sa... Okay, so yun na, unang gagawin. Kailangan natin i-get itong mixing bowl. Mixing bowl and butter slicer. Guys, so ito na po yung butter natin. Is-slice natin siya sa gitna. Yan, kasi ayun ang 1/2. 1/2 ng butter. Oh my goodness. So, lalagay natin siya sa mixing bowl. Tama ba? Okay, so lalagay natin siya dyan. Ito, and then this one, isa-save natin to mamaya para sa frosting. So, let's put it aside. Okay guys, so nakalimutan namin yung milk. So, kailangan din pala ng milk. Yan. So, ito, lalagyan natin ng vinegar. Okay, so yung milk daw, lalagyan natin ng vinegar. Ito, 1 cup ng milk. 1 cup milk, tsaka ng vinegar. Vinegar ay 1 cup. 1 teaspoon ng vinegar, tsaka 1 cup ng milk. So, ayun. Okay, guys. So, lalagay tayo ng 1 cup sugar dito sa ating butter. Okay, guys. So, ngayon, naput ko na yung ganito. Igagato na natin siya. Puro akong ganito. I-hand mixer na natin siya, guys.
Tapos, inayos ko na yung dry ingredients.
Yeah. So, let's go. So, ito na po yung nangyayari after siya ma-beat. So, kailangan sobrang soft niya. And, ito naman yung sa dry ingredients. Ayan, sinisif na. So, ayan, ang nasa loob dyan. Cocoa, flour, tsaka yung salt. So, yan siya. So, next na gagawin natin dito is maglalagay tayo ng egg, 1 egg, at saka ng vanilla extract. So, yep. Okay. And 1 teaspoon ng ating vanilla. Okay guys, so tapos na po natin siya ayan, yan ang itsura niya. Sobrang soft na niya. And the next thing that we're gonna do is i-mix to dito. So, go na.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so, ayan na siya. So, ang gagawin pa namin, ilalagay namin yung milk, ay food coloring sa milk. So, ayan. Depende sa kung ano yung, parang kung ano, kung ma-achieve mo yung bet mo na color, ganon. Guys, so, ito na po yung milk na may food coloring. And lalagyan natin siya dito. So, yan. Yeah, put that in. Parang hindi pa siya ganun ka, ano, para siyang pink lang. So, lagyan pa natin siya ng more.
Nakatakot.
Mix it up. So, taga-mix lang talaga ako dito.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Okay guys, so medyo na-fail na po kami. Kasi naging watery yung ano,
Okay lang
yung
yan.
something. Tingnan nyo. Guys, naging watery siya. Dapat ano siya, medyo buo. Ang nangyari kasi, dapat, inuna namin, ay ano, dry, tas milk, dry, milk, dry, milk.
Super basa.
Pero
Medyo.
ganun. So, ayun na. Lalagay na po namin siya dyan sa ating tray. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, ilalagay na po natin siya sa... Okay, guys. So, nalagay na namin sa oven yung, you know, yung yun yan, cupcake. So, next naman, ang gagawin natin is yung frosting. Let's move on sa frosting. Okay, guys. So, kailangan sa frosting is ang ating cream cheese. So, kailangan natin ng cream cheese. And ano pa ba? Butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Okay, so we're gonna mix it already with this one. Bango! Naamoy nyo ba, guys? Ang bango niya!
Then,
Okay, guys. So, next naman daw is the powdered sugar.
yung
Yan na siya. Kinakamay po namin yung mga buo-buo niya kasi ang hirap talaga, guys.
Much later.
Okay. Oh! Wow!
Patay tang ano ba yan?
Wow! Okay. Tingnan niyo naman siya, guys. Guys. Ang ganda. It's so gruel. Gruel, guys. So, sobrang happy namin kasi umalsa naman po siya and maging maganda naman yung result. And ang ating frosting ay ginagamit. Okay, so.
Tsaka din naman kami buo-buo pa.
Parang medyo umasim siya. Pero sarap.
Sarap. Okay na to.
Siya, pinapa-cool down muna siya, yan. Kasi, bawal siya lagyan ng frosting. Kasi malusaw ang frosting. Okay guys, so we're now just waiting. Nagwe-wait na lang po kami. Aray ko!
Ay, nakagat ni B-Max.
So, wait na lang po namin mag-cool down yung mga cupcakes and yung frosting.
Mag-chill.
Yeah, mag-chill. So, kami, chill din kami. Guys, so ito na po yung ating cupcakes. Yes, ayan na po siya. And finally, we are gonna be doing the frosting. Ito na yung frosting natin. And, ayan na. Lalagay na natin siya dito sa panglagayan. Okay, guys. So, ito na po yung aming red velvet cupcake. Yeah! Pero nanlulusaw yung mga frosting and ang pangit ng pagka-frosting namin. But anyway, yun na nga. Lalagyan mo namin siya sa freezer para i-chill muna saglit. And we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, so yan. Chill na po namin siya sa ref. And see you in a bit. Okay, guys. So, ilalabas ko na po siya.
If you will tell me I'm the only one that you know, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, again. Sugar, and hope we'll meet again.
revelation.
Ginawa namin yung pinakapangit.
Yeah, kinuha namin yung pangit na part para, you know. Okay, so let's taste this. Nagtinador kami kasi, kunyari na lang siya.
Dalawa. Kape mo ng cupcake. Kape naman yung cupcake. May palahan chocolate.
Gayahin niyo ko. Try my recipe. Promise, hindi ka mapapahiya. Ang sarap.
Could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.
So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any video suggestions, please comment down below. I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to spread love and joy.